Hello YouTube, RJ. Hey, just a super quick video to say happy Thanksgiving to all my viewers. I'm just so thankful for all the blessings me and my family got this year because I'm so thankful for all my viewers and especially my subscribers who subscribe, view, like, send me comments, things that not only do I enjoy but also helps the channel grow. And I'm just so thankful. We've come so far in a single year with this channel. It's amazing. I couldn't believe how far we've made it. I never expected the channel to get this large this quick. It's still a tiny channel. It can use all the help it can get, but it's just amazing that a guy like me playing around electronics could do this well with a channel this quick. And I know it's late Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving evening, 2024, but I've been with my family all day. So this is the first chance I had. I had a package to open. So I opened up, got some soldering tips for the HSO1. I got a couple more BC2s and a couple B2 tips. So I'll have them when I need them. And so I came in here, opened this up, and got to thinking I just wanted to thank you guys so much. So to all of you, thanks. And I just can't wait to see you on the next video.